Okay, now again, for 45 degrees as a special angle, we take the isosceles triangle, of which will look something like this. We'd make 90 in here, and we put 45, 45. The two equal side will have 1 and 1, and then the only unknown side is the hypotenuse. And therefore, to find the hypotenuse, we use the Pythagoras theorem, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And r squared is equal to 1 squared plus 1 squared. Basically, r squared is equal to 1 plus 1. R squared is equal to 2, and r is equal to the square root of 2. And then now you have it. If we may write it as a, and this is standard form, it'll look something like this, whereby you now have 45 degrees and the square root of 2, 1 and 1, with the 90 here and the 45 here, such that you can define all the trig ratios: sine 45, cos 45, and tan 45, according to their trig ratio from Sokotoa. That is the opposite over hype, adjacent over hype, hypotenuse, and then opposite over adjacent, which will be equal to, if it's sine 45, the opposite side is 1 over root of 2. This one, 1 over root of 2. And then this one, 1 over 1, which is equal to 1.